Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Visual Studio 2022 and keeping a solution or the Start window visible. This ensures the IDE loads all relevant options. Next, navigate to Tools, then Options. That takes you straight into Configuration. Once in Options, expand Environment and click General to reveal theme settings. You do this now because the theme control lives in the Environment panel. Changing it here updates IDE Chrome, editors, and tool windows consistently across sessions, so make sure the IDE is fully loaded before continuing. Now, open the Color Theme drop-down and select Dark, or pick Dark with high contrast if you need stronger contrast for visibility. Once selected, click Apply or OK to commit the change. Visual Studio will redraw the UI immediately, updating tool windows, editors, and menus. If the IDE prompts for a restart, accept it. Otherwise, you can continue working. You do this because a full redraw ensures all extensions and custom editor colors synchronize with the theme, preventing mismatched color artifacts later. Finally, fine-tune editor colors by going to Environment, then Fonts and Colors. Adjust text editor items if syntax colors look off compared to the rest of the IDE. If elements still appear inconsistent, use Tools, Import and Export settings to reset or import a known good settings file. This often clears leftover color mappings. Make sure to restart Visual Studio after major changes. If problems persist, disable extensions one by one. An extension can override theme colors, and isolating it quickly reveals the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.